Hello everyone. Today we have with us a new smartphone for unboxing. This is Dazen 1 from the Coolpad. This is a new Chinese brand which has entered into India, and they will be selling this Dazen 1 exclusively on Snapdeal for a price of 6,999 rupees. As you can see, this box appears quite big for a smartphone, but this is the one. At the back of the box you can see some information related to the import and the manufacturing details of the company in China. The price written as MRP of 6,999 rupees, and as I told you, it will be available on Snapdeal exclusively, and the device will be sold via the flash sale model. So let's open the device and see what's inside it. So finally we have opened the box. As you can see, this is the top cover with nothing in it. This is your Coolpad Dazen 1 smartphone. It is wrapped in a wrapper. Here is your battery. This is a 2500 mAh battery. We'll just open it also. So here you can see the Coolpad branding. Apart from that, at the back cover, the capacity you can see as 2500 mAh. We'll just try to zoom it out and show it to you. Here you can see the capacity of the battery is 2500 mAh or 9.5 Wh watt hour, right? This is a lithium polymer battery, and also just pull out the smartphone from the wrapper. So this is your Coolpad Dazen 1. We will be just putting the battery inside the smartphone in a bit, right? But before we do that, we'll just check out what else we have in the box. So nothing in that. Here you can see the user guide. This one is the user guide of Dazen 1. Apart from that, this is the warranty card for Dazen 1. It comes with some support numbers of Indian Service Center, the toll-free number. Apart from that, we have, this is your data cable or the micro USB cable. Most probably it is micro USB cable. We'll just pull it out. So here you can see this is your micro USB cable, which can be used both for charging the smartphone and also for transferring the data using the micro USB port here. We'll just talk about these ports later on, but so this is micro USB port. Apart from that, we have the adapter which is used for charging this smartphone using this micro USB cable. As you can see, the pins are of Indian types, which you can use in the Indian plugs, electric sockets. If you look at the adapter rating, the output is 5 volt and 1 ampere, and this is usually the standard adapter of any smartphone. So this is it. We'll check out if we have something else in it. It appears we don't have anything else. So as you can see, one thing is missing. In fact, in most of the budget smartphones, the earphone is not there. most probably it is due to pricing consideration. So this retail box also doesn't come with a headphone or earphone. We'll just put the battery in the back cover. You can open the back cover from here. We'll put the battery first and try to power it on. We'll just do the initial boot. Before we power it on, we'll just talk about some of the features of the device. As you can see, this is your power button. This is the slot for opening the back cover. This is your micro USB cable. Apart from that, you have, this is the volume rocker. Hopefully you can see the volume rocker, right? And this is your 5 megapixel front camera. These are the speakers. This is a 5 megapixel front camera. These are the front speakers. Sorry about the goof up. Basically this is your front facing 5 megapixel camera, and this is the proximity sensor. Apart from that, this is your 8 megapixel main camera. This is your flash. This is for speakers. This is your noise cancelling mic, right? We'll also just have a look at the back cover, see, these are basically the SIM slot. This is your micro SD slot. Apart from that, these are the speakers section, right? So it appears both are micro SIMs, right? But we'll check out later on when we review the device. So we'll just power on the device and see how it is. You can power on the device by just clicking on this power button here. We'll just put the wrapper also from the top. As you can see, the device boots up with the CoolPad logo and with Power by Android at the bottom. As you can see, the device booted quite fast, and we are at the setup screen. We don't have any SIM inside the device at the moment, so we'll skip everything, right? As you can see, the initial setup went quite fast, and we are on the home screen. We'll just have a look on the device for a moment briefly. As you can see, these are the navigation menu buttons, but these are backlit buttons. Usually this is not the case with most of the budget devices, so it's good that the menu buttons are backlit buttons. We'll just check out the Android operating system, which operating system it operates on. Here you can see the Android version is Android 4.4.4 KitKat. We are unable to get an animation of Android 4.4 KitKat. Apart from that, as you can see, this device is powered by Snapdragon 410, which is clocked at 1.2 gigahertz, and it's a quad core processor. RAM is 2 GB. For a price of 7,000 rupees, 2 GB RAM is very rare, and almost one or two devices only these days come with 2 GB RAM under price range of 7,000 rupees. Internal memory is 8 GB, out of which 4.01 GB is available. This is a full HD, this is a HD screen, which means that it comes with a resolution of 1280 by 720, right? And In terms of other hardware specification, this is a 5-inch HD display with the support of 4G LTE. So that's it. That is the unboxing of Coolpad Dozen 1. We will be doing a full review of this device pretty soon. Do not forget to check our full detailed review, which will be out in 4 to 5 days. And if you are curious or interested in buying this device from Snapdeal, do not forget to watch our review. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. See you soon with another video. Thank you.